Winter has returned. 33 degrees. It was like 60 yesterday. But short run today, guys. We got the trailer hooked now, if you can see it back there. This trailer is going to Waynesburg, Pennsylvania, which is about 45 minutes from my location. I'm gonna go drop this off really quick, and then I seen a couple of your guys' comments on the Crankcase vent reroute, wondering if it pushed through. This guy's in my lane. Whoa. Triaxle coming the opposite way in my lane. Kind of sketchy. A couple comments wondering if that Crankcase vent will push out oil. So we're coming up on about 1,000 miles running this Crankcase vent. I've been doing some hauling, been doing some driving, been doing a lot of stuff with the truck. So we're gonna do a 1,000-mile review of the Crankcase vent. Let's go. All right, guys, we made it back to the garage. But real quick, before we get started on the overview of the CCV reroute, you guys are freaking awesome. My last video was the mud tire video. What are the best mud tires? It's crazy how many of you guys out there are running these tires and have great feedback. It's unbelievable. There are a ton of comments. I just cruised through them a little bit this morning, right before I left the house, but it looks like Toyota Open Country MT is gonna take the cake, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm gonna go back through all of the comments and see, you know, what you guys have to say about all these tires. It's awesome. Thank you guys so much for commenting on that video. You guys are literally awesome. Okay, so this is gonna be a follow-up here for the Crankcase reroute from SPE. A lot of you guys were commenting on that video saying to, what if I would do a catch can, and oh, I don't wanna really run that because I don't wanna have oil drips in my driveway where I park my truck. And basically the main concern with this from you guys was the amount of oil that's gonna come out of that hose. Now, honestly, 100% honest, this is a complete test. I have about 1,000 miles in the truck. We're gonna get out, we're gonna check the hose. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave the hose in this exact spot. I kinda just put it there for now just to see how it was. I'm gonna test out a different location, maybe down the road. But right now, the hose location is working very good. I get 0 fumes in the truck. So let's get out and take a quick look. It's really windy. I'm gonna try to not let the wind hit the camera. Okay, I'm gonna lay down here. Okay, guys, so here is the actual hose, and you can see how dirty it has got. I kind of just zip tied it to the harness here, as you can see. I'm testing this location out, but so far so good. I mean, it does route right to here, but I get 0 fumes in the cab. And this is water. This is not oil. This is splashed water. So all this like little driplets you see, well, that's dirt. But all these little drips you see are water, not oil. So this is the thing here. I get 0 drips on the driveway. I get 0 drips wherever the truck is parked. No oil has come out of this hose yet. All of this right here is just from the fumes coming out of the hose. It hits directly on this part of the frame. All dry, it's just dirty. And then the hose, 100%, the hose is 100% dry. There is absolutely no oil whatsoever. It's literally just the gases that come out of there. And I've been driving this truck kind of hard. I've been towing, I've been hauling. I've been doing a lot in the gas field, and literally I could not be happier with this kit. There hasn't been a single drip of oil, not one drip. You can see the hose routes up through, and then it goes through that gap up to the top plug where it hooks up to. But guys, not a single drip of oil has come out of this hose, and it has been excellent. And trust me, I keep a close eye on it. This is the first time I've ever like felt in there to see if there's any oil, but it is completely dry. I mean, you can see the crud, but 0 oil, literally none. That's just dirt. So we can take a look. Look at all that mud in here. Jeez, I hate it. Okay, so that is where the hose connects. Back there, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit here. That is where the actual venting happens. All of your gases and everything comes out of your crankcase from right there, goes through the SPE hose up over the brake booster, down through that gap. And this one here is the plug where the oil return would be from the factory CCV vent. And then you have your plug there where the gases would go back into the intake. Everything is perfect under the hood. You have your plug, and then your actual vent hose, and then your intake plug. So now we'll go under the truck and we'll check out where exactly it's coming out. Okay. So it's pretty cool, so you should be able to see some gases coming out of there. See it? So guys, so for all the people saying that oil comes out of this thing, zero oil, not a single drop of oil. Oh man, it's cold. Literally it was 60 degrees for the past few days, and now it's back to winter. Awesome, perfect, nice. Okay, so there you have it. I went through the overview of 1,000 miles of driving with the crankcase reroute from SPE. Everyone who said it's going to leak oil, put a catch can on, you don't need it. Not with this kit. With other kits, maybe. I don't know. This kit here is specifically designed to not allow oil to escape. Only the gases. And like I said, if you guys want to, check the video at the end of this video. 1,000 horsepower Powerstroke 6.7 with this exact crankcase reroute on it. 1,000 horsepower dyno pull, really romping on it. Not a drip of oil came out of that hose. And guys, I might be totally crazy. I might be off my rocker, off the reservation, but I swear the truck runs better. I can feel it in the pedal. I can feel it in the gas pedal run a little more smoother. The engine runs more freely almost, like there's no resistance in the engine, like it's not under a stress. So I called Dan from SPE. I said, hey dude, can this crankcase reroute make the performance of the truck a little different? He said, yeah. So what happens is the factory crankcase vent doesn't flow enough volume to let that pressure escape as fast as it builds. So what happens is your pistons are under resistance going down because there's pressure in your bottom end. I mean, slightly. This isn't like on a big scale or anything. So the SPE reroute is a bigger hose. It flows more volume of air out of your bottom end. In return, as fast as the pressure builds, it goes right out. So the pistons have no resistance as they go down. Now I'm talking, this is like microscopic stuff here. So don't think you're gonna have like some crazy results or whatever. You probably wouldn't see anything on the dyno, but I swear I can feel the truck. It runs, the throttle response is a little better, and it sounds more free. It sounds like it's not really under resistance or under a load. Like I said, I might be crazy. All right guys, so after rambling to you guys for the last couple minutes here, long story short, the 1,000 mile review of the crankcase reroute, absolutely 100% recommend it. Modern Diesel approved, 100%. No fumes in the cab, not a single drip of oil has come out of that hose, no oil is pushed out of the engine. So those are the two main crucial things. Is obviously you don't want to lose any oil, and two, you don't want to have your cab smoked out by crankcase vent where it smells like oil. You know, it smells like oil fumes. You don't want that either. So there you guys go, a little follow-up for the crankcase reroute. No need for a catch can, it doesn't produce any oil, and it definitely routes a lot of gas out of your bottom end. But all right guys, that's about it for today. I have a few things to do here at the garage. It's absolutely freezing out. We're back to winter after being teased the past few days with 65-degree weather. Perfect, nice, awesome Pittsburgh weather. But I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit and then head to the house. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Hit that little bell notification. I don't know which side it's on. Maybe it's on this side, maybe it's on that side. Do it, just hit that bell so you're notified when we post new videos. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm gonna try to get a few out this weekend, beginning of next week. Also follow me on Instagram at Modern Diesel Corey. I do little insights, little behind the scenes action of the daily videos to see what I'm doing, where I'm at, what's going on. If you're interested in that, go follow me there. But as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!